Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper on your Hyundai Kona. First, make sure your vehicle is parked securely. You'll need a new wiper blade designed for your Kona's rear window and a small flathead screwdriver. Having the right tools makes this simple task even easier. This quick guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a clear view for safe driving. Let's get started with preparing for the replacement. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort, clearing the way for your new blade. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. On another note, for all you book lovers, why not read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite? It's perfect for enjoying your favorite stories on the go. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Your support helps us create more content. Now let's get back to the video. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests properly. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Make sure the new wiper blade is firmly attached and can move freely along the arm. Then, activate your Kona's rear washer fluid and test the new wiper blade. Observe its performance closely. Look for any streaks, missed areas, or unusual noises. A properly installed blade should clear the window smoothly and efficiently, providing excellent visibility for your drives.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.